I'm going early in the morning. Wow, got blue. I don't know how to turn these wipers off. Oops, that's the blinker. New car, new to me. Hi, can you shut off? And it's cold and I have the air on, so great. The kids just got up. I have to leave to upload a video for you guys because it's been a couple of days where I don't have any videos because we don't have internet. We won't have internet for several more days. So I have to go to my mom's house to upload. So here I go. They aren't wearing helmets. It hurts me to look at this. And I just keep imagining everything that could go wrong because that's what I do. Safety first. Could you imagine living next to something like this? And we do. That's water. It's beautiful. I love Florida. There's so much water here. Wonderful. Alright, while I was gone, Hadar's been taking the blinds down and washing them. Are you adorable today?
No.
Are you adorable today?
No.
Go show Daddy how adorable you are.
Hey, how you doing?
Gonna put some jeans on ya.
Here, Mommy's got something for you. Jean, go with that. Go.
Do you want jeans on or do you want leggings?
Leggings.
Leggings.
Go get them. Really?
Does she know what they're at?
No.
Where they are and where they're at?
Look, somebody bruised me up. Oh,
Can't see in the dark.
all
here.
bruised. Is it dark in here?
Yeah.
I just got so much sunshine coming out of me. Look here, where everything's $1. Look where we're going. All right. Do what?
There's more than 7 superheroes and there's 7 on this one.
7. Wow, there is more than 7 superheroes. Look at these magic towels. We already have some of those. Yeah, we're getting a bunch of bath stuff. Some nice stuff here. Acne wash I'm getting. Yeah, definitely gonna have fun here. I'm getting some Easter stuff soon. Put the balloon in the balloon hole. Rafael, put the balloon in the balloon hole. Okay. Yeah, they're all the same. So we're gonna get this because we have a lot of concrete to wash and we have to wash our roof. Our roof is like really bad. This is only $100. It's electric, it's not gas, but it's good for the car too, to wash a car. There was a car horn that just played really loud. Not as loud as that monster truck the other day. Okay, we went to True Value. We got all the little accessories that we needed, like a magnetic door lock and stuff. Now we're going to pick out some tan paint, but what the heck? Which tan paint to pick? This is kind of all pink. What are we doing?
Drink after this.
The guy gave both Abigail and Rafael popcorn at True Value. They were very nice there, very helpful.
I saw you put paint in that bucket. Oh my God, you put it in the bucket. Oh, that's his. Okay.
Don't take my face.
Yeah, this looks good. We'll look at it on the... What do you think of it on the film? It looks pretty good, yeah? Yeah, I like that. He's 21.
Oh,
And I'm
wow.
6.
You're 6?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I need to be 15 years old to be as old as he is. And sometimes the sun melts when there's water. Right, guys? When there's water, rain above the sun and it drips only one drip of water. It just drips. The sunlight goes down. No more light.
Limited time. Guess what this is? We found a bomba at Aldi's. Here. Okay, go to the cart. What is this Deutsch Kutsch? Because they have the same food as we do, except not pork. But yeah, schnitzel. We just bought this at Aldi's, and it was really delicious. Product of England. Wensleydale cheese, I've never heard of, with cranberries. Absolutely amazing. And We took a corner a little too fast, so the eggs busted.
Yeah.
And I had to wipe it on my pants because we don't have baby wipes in here. Hey guys, I have no idea what I've filmed today, really. We went so many places today, had a great time. Aldi's now takes credit cards, so we were able to go. I thought we were gonna have to get cash, so I was like, oh no, we gotta get cash back, but we weren't able to get cash back because we have an American Express card at Home Depot or Lowe's or wherever we were. And okay, so we have paint and all of that stuff, so we're just about ready. Hadar went around and washed all the mini blinds. I still have to wipe the windows down, but he washed all the mini blinds. And then we're soon to be starting to paint. It's very hot in here. The thermostat doesn't work, or the air conditioner doesn't work, or there's no electric to it. I don't know what's wrong with it, but we ordered a thermostat, so hopefully that will fix it. I have no idea. We're gonna go back to town because Hadar has a 220 volt computer, electric, and we need a 110. So he had to change out the power box. So we're gonna go to town and pick that up, and town is just a few minutes away, which is very nice, but we live basically out in the country but near town. It's perfect out here. It's so quiet, you can barely hear any cars going by. There's one dog that randomly barks. There's a distant chicken barking, or chickening. What is that called? What is that called? Yeah, off in the distance. I mean, it's just so quiet and nice here. Yeah, we're sitting here and we're watching TV, waiting for Daddy's Geek Squad. He's got to get his power box into his computer because it only came with 210 instead of 110 switchover for his computer. Yeah, you like all these big ones?
Yeah, but not.
The next one.
Ship it.
You just saw the house and everything with it as is.
No, we
Oh, it is.
gave all of it away. Yeah. Most things. We did sell our TV before we left. This washer is worth so much more than this. Oh, okay. We're actually looking at fridges. We just want one with a water and ice thing, because that's really nice, and oh, it's really nice to have, I just have to say. Crushed ice. Come on. Me? Huh? Smile. Look at me, smile. Oh, hey guys, we got the fan on. Well, our air conditioner doesn't work, so we have a fan in the window. Fan in the window. All right. So right now we are hooking up the TV. We just bought a TV. I believe it's a 43-inch. We're going to have it in our bedroom. Not have a TV in the living room, so it won't be on all day, but we can have TV at night for Hadar and I, and for movie night that we usually do with the kids. And we had been doing that since we haven't had a TV in our living room for like 6 months or so. We have been doing that, and it was really nice because the kids got to enjoy that, and they had popcorn and stuff. So he is fixing this. We had to go out late to pick up his computer. It
Want
was
me to turn the thing off?
no. We picked his computer up. They fixed it. They put a new power supply in it, and we're gonna watch TV here in a little bit. Oh, and this is what I'm doing. I'm going through clothes and hanging all of Abigail's stuff. And I bought some hangers at Dollar General. They were only $1.35 for 10. Hey guys, so we don't have internet. Thumbnails for this week. What?
Screaming.
Screamed at her?
Yeah.
Okay.
okay, Abigail. I too couldn't entice her in here.
She
Oh,
loves.
give me that. Here, wait a minute.
She's a shoe girl.